guy who killed someone.
Oh yes, there's a video that's gone viral today. So we have an update on that. I was going to talk about that. So the reason we didn't put it up was we've been investigating what happened, and what we have at this point is that yes, it's true that the custom guy was trying to extort money from people at a roadblock. This is officially from the custom now, but it is not true, according to custom, that they killed somebody from traveling internationally. The custom guy killed what they call a custom boy. This is the explanation of a custom boy. When they stop you at a roadblock, they negotiate with you. The person who's negotiating with you is not in uniform. It's a custom boy.
So call them Kelebe.
So I think that's where Atiku met his wife. I don't know, but that's a story for another day. But they use them to collect the bribe proper. And so the guy who was killed is a Kelebe, is a custom guy. And they said when there was a struggle with the guy who was trying to extort money, and he shot the custom boy in the process. And another custom guy was injured. But the people who filmed it just thought that one of them was killed, and they were shouting, because I think it was one of them that was struggling with the custom with a gun, but it wasn't one of the people that traveled. And they said the moment they discovered that they weren't the one that were killed, I mean, one of them wasn't the one killed, they entered their car and drove off.
But I saw them took the boy into their car.
No, they said because that's what the custom said. I can read it here, and nobody has
The video.
has controverted this since they said it. Maybe there will be an update. I'll read it to you guys. Just if you wait for a second, I'll do so. Actually, so because we've been investigating this, and I know it went viral, and I'm not.
But regardless, somebody lost
Somebody was killed by a custom, and it happened. They were right. It was happening, and it happened because there was some kind of extortion carried out. These custom guys are always extorting people. I don't know. The customs have come into town so much that they almost have a custom station in every city now, like a police station. So the attention of Nigerian Customs Service has been drawn to a disturbing video going viral with conflicting narrative. While it is painful and totally unnecessary to lose life in anti-smuggling operations, today at Shagamu interchange along Ijebu-Ode, attempt to obstruct lawful performance of duty by passengers of a commercial bus, a white Toyota Hiace, suspected to be carrying bales of used clothes, led to the death of a young man, Godwin, and serious injury of a custom officer, ASC1 Destiny Onebanho. Contrary to some narrative, the young man was not a passenger of the bus, but a good citizen who always come to fetch water for customs. You know, that's the custom boy, fetching water for customs. As if custom no get water, you know. Patrolmen anytime they return to base. Preliminary findings indicate that it was during the skirmishes and struggle to disarm the officer that the rifle discharged and hit the friend of the custom officer, Godwin, who lost his life. The service is already in touch with the bereaved family. Sadly, it should be noted that while the attention shifted to the dead and the wounded, the passengers who filmed with inciting commentaries boarded their vehicle and left, leaving the wrong impression that it's one of them that was killed. While the wounded officer is under intensive care at the hospital, the patrol team has been recalled to the office for further investigation. This came from DC Joseph Attar, Public Relations Officer, Comptroller General of Customs. So that's what we have from the custom.
Somebody said there's an audio to what you just said. So
Okay.
it's true.
That is true. So the reason we didn't put it out before is we always do our investigations before. You know, I used to work as our reporters. You know, I don't have a job anymore. I'm looking for a new job.